What's up, buds? It's Fly High FPV, and I'm a little bleary-eyed this morning because I was up until 4 o'clock in the morning fucking with my goggles and my O3 AirUnit, getting it installed right into a quad as fast as I possibly can. I'm excited, man. The sun just came up and I'm about to go rip. I put the goggles on and fiddled with them quite a bit last night, and holy shit, they look good. I could see like all the hairs on my arm. Just really impressed. Haven't actually flown with them yet, so we'll see how the latency goes, but it's really promising. I went ahead and ordered a crate of O3 AirUnits. They'll be here in about a week, and the goggles too are coming as well to the store. I've got a lead on them, and they're telling me that they'll be able to ship me those probably on Monday. So the reason I'm picking up goggles too is because cross compatibility is coming. The goggles too are going to support vistas and AirUnits. I've seen it working, and it's coming soon. It's still under beta. It hasn't got a full release yet, but it is coming. And you know what else they're gonna do? They're gonna give you Betaflight OSD. That's right, the O3 AirUnit's getting Betaflight OSD in the goggles too, and the original AirUnit and Vista are also showing OSD in the goggles too. So I am pumped. Really looking forward to it, and yeah, I can't wait, man. For now, it's me on V2s because they work with all my shit, and hopefully in about a week or two we'll have goggles too to be trying out. But for now, just super stoked on the O3 AirUnit. If you want an O3 AirUnit, go hit up my website. They are already listed for sale on flyhighfpv.com. I've got the original Vistas and AirUnits. They're actually on sale right now, so grab you one of those if you're not ready to adopt, or if you're really not ready to adopt, you're still on analog. All of the TBS Unify video transmitters are on sale right now, every fucking one of them, including my favorite, the Pro 32 HV, the Nano 500 milliwatts and the less than a gram package, all that shit. But I'm really stoked on this digital shit right now. The O3 AirUnit is fucking badass. I didn't really have as many issues with the camera as people said. The biggest issue is not how wide it is. It's 19 millimeters wide, which is the same width of every fucking camera I've ever enjoyed. I'm not a big fan of nano cams. So yeah, people are like, it's so big. The lens is big, that's it. But it's also way shorter. That's gonna probably be the biggest issue for most people, is that the lens is quite a bit shorter than we're used to. And so I'm seeing standoffs. I did reach out to Armaton this morning and ask if it's possible to get new cam savers. Like, you know, just redesign the cam savers to get that camera right up behind the standoffs, so we won't be looking at bars on the sides of the screen. I think that that's possible, and if they won't do it, you know damn well I'll 3D print a solution. Check me out, flyhighfpv.com. If you need parts or prints, I got all that you need on the website. I've got brand new designs for the O3 AirUnit antenna, big proper lollipop to keep that fat boy nice and safe. I don't know what it's going to cost to replace that antenna yet, but I did see Ken Dobo said that he had talked to DJI and they told him it was fine to replace it with two True RC Singularity UFL antennas. So that is good news. I can always just pop this thing off and put some True RC on there, and I'll probably get way more sensitive by doing that, which is kind of cool. That means I'll probably be able to use my DJI dual tails instead of having to print new lollies. But I'm a big fan of those dual tails, man. They've been durable as hell, and I almost never break an antenna when they're inside of that because it's just protection all the way up to the top. Lollies are right there with it, with a full wrap all the way around the antenna so that you're not cracking it on the concrete. And I saw the apex, it's fitting in the apex now. There's new trays for the air unit to fit in the back of the original apex. Apex HD and Apex DC are gonna probably need a new air unit tray designed, but that's a quick, easy fix. If anybody wants one or is ordering a tail, on the Apex, I throw in the air unit tray with the tails. So that's part of the deal when you order them. My Source 1 V5s, I think that's going to be a little more problematic because the standoffs are so close together on the front of the air unit of the V5 Source 1. And so I suspect what's going to happen there is I'm going to have to 3D print a solution to mount the camera in front of the standoffs, like a camera pod canopy style thing. I haven't done it yet. I'm pretty fucking slammed right now, but it'll happen soon, especially if somebody orders one. If you order one, I won't have any choice but to go ahead and design it, will I? Y'all hit me up, flyhighfpv.com, all the freshest shit. Peace.